At Apple's jaw-dropping event, flashy iPhones and satellite-connected wearables took center stage. But quietly, the Apple Watch SE 3 may have just become the best value Apple Watch ever. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to place for all the tech updates. If we look at Watch SE 3 from the outside, it looks nearly identical to the SE 2. The same sleek aluminum body, 40mm and 44mm sizes, and familiar midnight and starlight finishes. But beneath the surface, the SE 3 is major leaps ahead, and one that finally erases the line between entry-level and flagship Apple Watches. The headline upgrade, a long-requested always-on display, which means your screen stays visible even when your wrist is down. No more awkward flicks to check the time. That alone makes it feel far more premium. It also now shares the same powerful S10 chip found in the top-tier Series 11 and Ultra 3, delivering a fluid, snappy experience across apps, messages, and watchOS 26 features. And with on-device Siri, faster performance, and smart gestures like double tap and wrist flick, it punches well above its price tag. And yes, the health features, they're stacked. You get heart rate tracking, sleep apnea detection, wrist temperature sensing, retrospective ovulation estimates, and more. The only thing missing is hypertension monitoring, which is a fair trade-off at this price. And speaking about the price, the SE3 starts at just $249, and in the UK, it's £30 cheaper than the SE2 was at launch. That's rare in today's tech world. It may not have the ultra-tough build of the Watch Ultra 3 or the curved edge screen of the Series 11, but the SE3 covers everything that really matters in this cost. So, are you adding this to your wish list? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.